lots of fun. Clean up, clap, clap, clap. Put the toys back, tap, tap, tap. Clean up, hip hooray. Everything is neat today. Blocks in the box, cars in a row, dolls on the shelves, nice and slow. NuNu helps and me too. Cleaning up is fun.